Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize customer satisfaction with Nordstrom. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, understand Nordstrom's commitment to customer service. Research their history to appreciate their customer-first philosophy. Identify key strategies Nordstrom uses to engage customers. Start by analyzing their exceptional return policy. Next, observe how the staff is trained to prioritize customer needs. Pay attention to their personalized shopping experiences. Look at how they leverage technology for convenience. Utilize their online platform for easy browsing and purchasing. Take advantage of their customer feedback channels. Encourage customers to share their experiences with staff. Implement a follow-up system after customer interactions. Monitor customer reviews to identify areas for improvement. Develop a rewards program to enhance customer loyalty. Ensure consistent communication across all customer touchpoints. Train your team to embody the Nordstrom spirit of service. Create a welcoming in-store environment that reflects their ethos. Emphasize the importance of empathy in customer interactions. Gather data on customer preferences to tailor experiences. Regularly assess and adjust your strategies based on feedback. Finally, celebrate successes and continuously strive for excellence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.